John, father, they are boring, can't wait till the summer step in.
So what you going to feel so now?
Me? No, sir, me and my boy, them they are planning to touch by the Negro side.
I'm so glad, man. Time go camping, bro.
No, bad man, we're not the family camp, the church.
Nah, brother, if you don't go, brother, you're not going to be better, brother.
So, Nile.
You know, sometimes you have your good child home and eventually you still cannot sway for your child behind your back. In front of you, you can sway for them. But behind you, there is nothing at all you can sway for them about. You know, you have your good child home and meeting other children then, friends, you know you will have a changed child. Whenever time I talk to him, he's not hearing.
Adia's Picnic, Niamrak Stone. But Christiana High School is giving disobedient students a break and a chance to cut their teeth on a better future through its positive enrichment behavior camp.
This camp basically started about a decade ago, from 2013. We took a break during the COVID-19 pandemic, and we have seen an uptick post-COVID-19 pandemic, and hence we have decided to go back to the camp. The purpose really is to educate the students who we have here, who we have seen on a number of infringements for the school, and to empower them so that they can be reinstated in the regular program as good boys and girls.
Well, I am the brainchild of the camp. Based on my job description with the Ministry of Education, we have to come up with programs that caters to help to solve or to remediate students. So when I did a survey, I recognized that most of these students needed to be in an environment to be secluded sometime, pull apart, and do intervention with them. Because trying to do the intervention in school on a daily basis is kind of difficult. So at this time, when I looked at it after doing the survey, I decided that a camp in the summer would be ideal. From 2013, when we started the camp, I started it with just 25 students to pilot the program, but then I recognized that I could now get others into it, so I expanded it from the 25, and then in 2017, I moved it to residential because before it was a traveling camp.
We find that over the years, more of our boys are found in problems, situations, and and some of our girls, a handful of our girls, are getting themselves in problems with administration and this type of rules and regulations that we have here at Christiana High School. But we have put in place a mechanism. In fact, we have a number of other programs at Christiana High School that we cater to before we even get to the camp.
If we can save them without have to expel them, so when we put them here, we're giving them a chance to remain in school.
I'm saying paper, father. Where you go with that? Me get 3 and you get everything. What go on?
Tell you, bro, the camp, no brother.
Yeah, no, brother. But the camp did.
Yeah, bro, tell you, bro.
Brother, if me did know.
If me did know, a widely used expression that most of us are familiar with. Regardless of your age, you are accountable for the decisions you make in life. Let us work together to make Jamaica a place where we all can live, raise our families, and do business.
Be a good student today for a brighter future tomorrow.
Respect can take you through life.